What if I told you that for under $700 you could walk out the door with a camera kit that shoots crisp 24 megapixel photos, records gorgeous full HD 1080 pixel video, connects to your phone over Wi-Fi, and comes with two lenses ready to shoot everything from tight portraits to distant wildlife? That's exactly what we are talking about today. This is the Canon EOS Rebel T7 Double Zoom Lens Kit. And if you have been sitting on the fence about upgrading from your smartphone or jumping into DSLR photography for the very first time, this video is made for you. I'm going to break down everything you need to know: the specs, the real-world performance, who this camera is perfect for, and who should probably look elsewhere. By the end of this video, you will know exactly whether the Canon Rebel T7 deserves a spot in your camera bag. Let's get into it. Before we talk specs and performance, let's talk about what you actually get in the box, because the value here is genuinely impressive. When you open up the Canon EOS Rebel T7 Double Zoom Kit, here's what you will find. Item number 1, the Canon EOS Rebel T7 body itself. A sturdy, lightweight DSLR body in classic Canon black. It feels solid in the hand without being intimidating. This thing was designed with beginners in mind, and it shows. Item number 2, the EF S18 55mm lens. This is your all-purpose everyday lens. Walking around a city, shooting family portraits, snapping travel photos, this lens lives on your cameras 80% of the time. It covers wide angle at 18mm all the way to a mild telephoto at 55mm, giving you incredible creative range right out of the gate. Item number 3, the EF 75 to 300mm telephoto lens. This one is the game changer in this kit. Most beginner cameras ship with just the 18 to 55mm, but Canon include a 75 to 300mm zoom, which means you can photograph wildlife, spurs, birds, or candid shots from across the room without the subject even knowing you are there. At 300mm equivalent, this lens punches way above its price point. So right out of the box, you have a complete photography system: wide shots, telephoto shots, portraits, travel, wildlife, all covered. That's the double zoom kit advantage, and it's one of the main reasons this package represents such strong value. Alright, let's talk about what makes this camera tick. The sensor. Because the sensor is the single most important component in any camera. It's what actually captures the light and turns it into your photo. The Canon EOS Rebel P7 is equipped with 24.1 megapixel CMOS APS-C sensor. Let me break down why each part of that sentence matters. 24.1 megapixels. This is more resolution than most photographers will ever need. It means your images are sharp, detailed, and large enough to print at poster size without losing quality. It means you can crop aggressively in post-production and still have a usable, beautiful image. For social media, YouTube thumbnails, prints, or even professional client work, this resolution is more than enough. CMOS sensors are the gold standard in modern digital photography. They are fast, energy efficient, and excellent at capturing detail with low noise. Canon has been perfecting CMOS technology for decades, and this sensor benefits from all of that engineering heritage. APS-C sensor size. Now this is important for beginners to understand. APS-C sensors are slightly smaller than a full-frame sensor. What that means practically is two things. First, there is 1.6x crop factor, so your lens effectively shoot a bit tighter than their stated focal length, which is actually great for wildlife and sports photography. Second, APS-C sensors are more affordable to manufacture, which is why Canon can offer this quality at this price point. And the results speak for themselves. The images from this sensor are punchy, detailed, and true to life. Colors are rendered with that signature Canon warmth that photographers have loved for years. One of the most important questions beginners ask is, how does this camera handle low light? And that's really an ISO question. The T7 has a native ISO range of 100 to 6400 with an expanded high setting that pushes all the way to ISO 12800. That's labeled H12800 in Canon specs sheet. At ISO 100 to 800, images are clean, sharp, and virtually noise-free. This is your sweet spot for outdoor shooting and well-lit indoor environments. At ISO 1600 to 3200, there is a slight increase in noise. The digital grain you sometimes see, but it's very well controlled. Photos are still completely usable and look fantastic. At ISO 6400, noise becomes more visible, especially in the shadows. It's still workable, particularly if you are sharing on social media rather than printing large. At the expanded ISO 12800, I'll be real with you, it's noisy, but it might save a shot in an emergency situation. where you absolutely need to capture the moment, even if the quality takes a hit. The bottom line is this: the T7 performs admirably in good light and holds its own in moderate low light conditions. It won't outperform cameras with larger, newer sensor in truly dark environments, but for the price, the ISO performance is genuinely solid. Let's talk about the autofocus, because getting sharp in focus shot is everything in photography, and a bad AF system will ruin photos no matter how good the sensor is. The Canon Rebel T7 features a 9-point autofocus system combined with AI servo AF. Here's what that means in practice. 9 AF points cover the center and corners of your frame. You can let the camera automatically decide which point to use, or you manually select a specific point to nail focus on exactly what you want, like your subject's eyes, a specific face in a group, or a bird in flight. AI Servo AF is Canon's continuous autofocus mode. This means the camera continuously tracks and adjusts focus on a moving subject. It's ideal for sports, kids, pets, wildlife, anything that does not sit still. The camera learns the movement pattern of your subject and anticipates where they will be when you press the shutter. It's impressively capable for an entry-level camera. In real-world shooting, the 9-point system is fast and reliable for stationary and slow-moving subjects. For fast action, it does a solid job, though you will occasionally get a missed focus shot, which is expected at this price tier. More advanced cameras with 45 or 61 AF points will outperform it in burst sports shooting, but for 95% of what beginners shoot, this system is generally excellent. There is also eye detection AF via the live view mode. The camera can detect and lock onto eyes, which is incredibly usable for portrait photography. One thing that separates the DSLRs from mirrorless cameras and smartphone is the optical viewfinder, and this is one of my favorite things about shooting with any rebel camera. The T7 has an optical viewfinder with approximately 95% viewing coverage. What this means is when you look through the eyepiece, you are seeing real optical light reflected through a mirror and a phantom mirror, not a digital screen. It's immediate, it's responsive, and it never lags. In bright daylight conditions where screens become unreadable, the viewfinder is your best friend. The 95% coverage means a tiny sliver of the final image falls outside what you see, so your actual captured image is very slightly wider than what you composed. It's a minor thing and completely normal at this price point. Beyond the viewfinder, the overall shooting experience with the T7 is wonderfully tactile. The grip fits naturally in your hand. The buttons and dials are logically placed. The menu system is clean and beginner-friendly. Canon has spent 30 plus years refining the ergonomics of this camera family, and it shows. You will be comfortable and confident shooting with this camera within hours of opening the box. If you plan to shoot video, whether that's YouTube content, travel vlogs, family memories, or social media clips, the T7 has you covered. The Rebel T7 records full HD 1080 pixel video, that's 9020 into 1080 pixel with an aspect ratio of 16 and 9, perfect for YouTube and most modern screens. The footage looks clean, detailed, and cinematic with the right lenses attached. There are a few things to know about video on the T7, though. It does not shoot 4K video. A 4K is a hard requirement for you. You will need to look at a higher tier camera. But here's my honest tip. For YouTube, social media, and most personal video projects, 1080 pixel is completely sufficient. Tons of successful channels shoot in 1080 pixel right now. The improved dual pixel CMOS AF makes a real difference in video. It enables smooth, continuous autofocus while recording, which helps keep your subject in focus as they move. For solo vloggers or documentary-style shooting, this is hugely useful feature. Combined with the EOS utility webcam beta software for Mac and Windows, you can also turn this camera into a high-quality webcam, great for Zoom meetings, Twitch screens, or YouTube live content. That's a free upgrade to your video that most people don't even know about. In 2026, connectivity is non-negotiable, and Canon nailed it with the T7. This camera has built-in Wi-Fi and NFC technology. Using Canon's free Camera Connects app on your smartphone, you can wirelessly transfer photos from camera to phone instantly, remotely control the camera from your phone, trigger the shutter, change settings, and see a live view. Great for selfies or group shots. Back up your images automatically. Geotag your photos using your phone's GPS. The NFC feature lets you pair your phone and camera with a single tap. No fumbling with passwords or Bluetooth menus. It just works. And the Wi-Fi transfer speed is quick enough that you can snap a photo and have it on your Instagram in under 30 seconds. The T7 has a solid, lightweight, polycarbonate body that feels durable without being heavy. It's not weather sealed, so you will want to be cautious in rain or dusty environments. But for everyday shooting, It's built to last. Canon specifies an operating temperature range of 32 to 104 Fahrenheit that covers pretty much every real-world shooting conditions you will encounter. Whether you are shooting a summer wedding or a winter portrait session, the camera will perform reliably. The metering system is impressively comprehensive for a beginner camera, offering 5 metering modes: average, center weight, multi-zone, partial, and spot. This gives you precise control over how the camera evaluates lights in a scene, a feature you had typically expect on much more expensive bodies. Okay, real talk. Let's be honest about who this camera is perfect for and who might need something different. The Canon EOS Rebel T7 double zoom kit is perfect for absolute beginners who want to step up from a smartphone and learn real photography without spending a fortune. The learning curve is gentle, the controls are intuitive, and Canon's menu system is legendary for being beginners friendly. Students in the photography or film programs looking for a capable, affordable body to practice on. Hobbyist photographers who shoot landscapes, portraits, travel, wildlife, and everyday life. The double zoom kit covers nearly every scenario you will encounter. Content creators and YouTubers who want high quality 1080 pixel video, webcam capability, and wireless photo transfer for fast posting to social media. Parents who want to capture crisp, beautiful photos of their kids' sporting events, school plays, and family moments, and are tired of missing shots with a slow smartphone. You might want to consider alternatives if you absolutely need 4K video. In that case, consider Canon's EOS M50 Mark II and mirrorless option. You shoot professional sports or fast wildlife professionally and need 45 plus AF points and 10 FPS plus burst shooting. You want weather sealing for serious outdoor or adventure photography. Step up to the Canon 90D and 70 Mark II for that. But for the vast majority of beginners and enthusiasts, the T7 is genuinely fantastic choice. So, is the Canon EOS Rebel T7 double zoom kit worth your money? Let me give you my honest verdict. This camera kit represents one of the best values in photography today. You get a 24.1 megapixel sensor, two versatile lenses covering 18mm to 300mm, full HD video, Wi-Fi and NFC connectivity, AI servo continuous autofocus, an optical viewfinder, and 5 metering modes, all in one box. The image quality is generally excellent. The build quality is solid. The Canon ecosystem is the most supported in the world, meaning there are hundreds of compatible lenses, accessories, flashes, and third-party tools available to you. Yes, there are more powerful cameras out there, but for someone starting their photography journey or for someone who wants a reliable, capable camera without the complexity and cost of professional system, the Rebel T7 hits a very sweet spot. My rating 4.5 out of 5 stars. Highly recommended for beginners and enthusiasts alike. That's everything you need to know about the Canon EOS Rebel T7 double zoom kit. If this video helped you make a decision or even just taught you something new, please hit that like button. It genuinely helps this channel grow and helps other photographers find this review. Subscribe if you want more camera reviews, photography tutorials, and gear guides designed for real photographers, not just spec sheet. Drop a comment below. Are you beginner just starting out? Are you a seasoned shooter considering this as a backup body? I read every comment and I'd love to hear from you. Links to check the current price and availability on the Canon EOS Rebel T7 double zoom kit or in the description below. Until next time, keep shooting, keep creating, and I'll see you in the next one.